Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we will see how you can make a live streaming app. So in order to make a live streaming app, we are going to use a service provider called ZegoCloud. You might have heard the name before. They are like famous provider for the API, like for video call and chat APIs, etc. But in this video, we're going to see how you can use their live streaming API and build a beautiful looking live streaming app in just seconds. So let's start without wasting any more time. So in the browser, search for ZeroCloud and just click on the first link over here. And you will see we are in the dashboard of ZeroCloud over here. So first of all, you will see the login and sign up option. We will sign up first of all. And over here, you need to give some information, your name, country, work email, verification. And also keep in mind, you have to like provide the verification code. So first, write the email, then click on this code to get the verification code on your mail. So fill this up, and I will see you once I have done this, and I will see you in the dashboard. Alright, guys. So as you can see, I have logged in now, and you will also see this prompt over here, this pop-up over here, which will ask you for some company name and like some job title and phone number. So yes, you have to fill this. But for now, we are just testing over here, and you can also like enter any name. For now, I'm just writing over here, let's say influencer and job title. I will choose anything. Let's say engineering, industry, IT, and I will also give my phone number and then I will provide the OTP and successfully sign up. So I will see you once I have done this and we will then continue building our application. So all that guys, I am successfully logged in now. I have given my phone number and everything is set up. So this is my dashboard over here, and before moving on, let me just like tell you what exactly Zero Cloud is and what does it provide as a services. So Zero Cloud is a global communication service provider which provides developer friendly and powerful SDK and APIs. So you can see over here they've offered like many features such as video call, chat, video conference, and live streaming. So you can see over here, I have two projects of mine, but you will not see these. You will only see this one over here because you have not created anything yet. So ignore these. All right, what we are going to do next? We are going to create a project. So to do that, we just have to click this over here. So click this and you will see there are tons of options that you can choose from. There is video call, video conference, live streaming, and then in-app chat, customized app, online karaoke, game streaming. So there are a lot of options that you can choose from. In this video, we're gonna choose this live streaming option. So just click it over here, and then we're gonna choose next. All right, and then you have to give a name. So let's say test project. You can give it any name you want. So after giving the name, now you can see over here we have two options to select from. We have this UI kits and we have this SDKs. So before, like before Zero Cloud only have this SDKs option in which you might have to write some more code in order to get the app working, or like you have to some add some styling or something like that. But they have added another option which is UI kits, and in this video we're going to use this one. So you can see over here it is also like saying embed interactive scenarios with less than 10 lines of code. So we are going to just copy and pasting everything. We are going to like not going to add any code of our own. So let's start with this UI kit. It is very simple. So let's click on the start with the UI kits. All right, and you can see over here the progression has started and it will take some time to load, so let's wait till it's complete. Alright guys, so as you can see my project is live now and it is ready. So you can see over here I'm getting few options, and in this video we're going to choose web because we are going to build a website. So if you're gonna like if you're using a mobile device or you are making a mobile application, you go and go for these other options, but here we will choose web. And now you will see over here on the right hand side, you got some options to play with. So you can toggle on and off them so that they will not appear or appear on like based on what you have done over here. So you can choose the camera off, so the camera won't be up there, but it is like not good. You have to you have to see the camera. I'll recommend you to keep all the options on. All right. Now what we're gonna do next is we just simply save and start to integrate. So click on this button over here, and it will. Okay, so you can see over here it is already built the web app, and it is the exact UI that we're gonna see once we have deployed it in our website. So you can also test it. So let me just show you how it is looking like. So let me just, you can see over here this is our username. So let's write user1, and I will click on join. You can see, so you can see there is an option of go live. Let me just copy this link and open another tab over here and go to this exact same link. You can see over here in this I will write user2 and join. So you can see over here there was a message called user2 entered the room. So now I will go live from here. So you can see there is a countdown. So let's see. All right, so the live stream has been started, but there is nothing on the screen because my camera and my screen recording are off. And you can see over here the live streaming has started over here as well, and you can also chat because it is an open chat. So let's say hi, and you can see the hi is from user 2. And let's see over here, you will see a message, yeah, hi from user 2. But this user is the main user which is doing the live stream, and you can stop the broadcast if you want. You can share your screen, video call, open the mic, everything. This one is an audience, so you can see over here there's nothing option, there's no options at all, just there an exit button, and yeah, they can chat. So yeah, I think you got the point what our website will look like or our live streaming will look like. Let's build. All right, because this is right now it is in the ZegoCloud website. All right, so let's build our own live streaming app in our own website. So to do that, just click this. And here you can see, you will see app ID and server secret. I have hide them because of obvious reasons. But yeah, you can do the download the HTML file, or you can just do the on-click deployment. Don't do this on-click deployment yet. We are gonna choose this option here. So yeah, so let's click on this download HTML file and let's see what we will get. So you can see over here it has downloaded this file over here. Let me open this, go to my downloads over here. Yeah, so you can see over here this is the HTML file, and I'm going to open my VS Code. So open your VS Code or any other ID that you're working on, and just I'm going to open this over here. Okay, so yeah. Alright, so you can see over here the HTML file will look something like this. We have some styling over here and a script API over here, script source, and some JavaScript functions. The main thing that I want to show you is these functions, and also make sure that you will get an app ID and a server secret. You can see my app ID is currently 0 because I have replaced it with 0 for obvious reasons. I don't want to you to show the actual app ID and server secret, but you will be getting the exact same app ID and server secret that you are able to see on the website. So yeah, you will get the exact server secret and app ID. Now you can simply just um, click on go live and see the website, but we are not going to do that. We're going to use React, and we're going to import all the functions to React, and then we're going to build a website over there. So for that, what we're going to do is create a folder called, let's say, tutorial. You can name it anything, and then I will go inside the folder. So that's a tutorial, and here I will add, or I will install React. So to do that, we're going to use white to install the React. So write npm create white at latest to install the latest version, and add a dot over here so that it installs in the same folder. So hit enter, and it will ask you to choose one of the frameworks. You can go for vanilla, but we are going to choose React. Hit enter and choose simple JavaScript over here. Choose enter. So yeah, you can see over here now our folder will look something like this. One thing is remaining to install all the dependencies. So write npm I and hit enter over here to install every dependency, and it will take some time. So as you can see over here, our node modules folder is there, and yeah, the installation has been completed. Now let's run the app. So I will write npm run dev, and you will see it is live on this localhost. So control click this, and yeah, you will see this is our React app currently, but we are gonna like show our live streaming app. So open this src folder and then this app.jsx, and here let me just close this terminal over here, and in the return tab you can delete everything. All right, just delete everything, and you will see we don't have anything on our screen because we're gonna add the video call feature or the live stream feature. In the css, in the index of css, comment out everything, and at the top write this function over here. Let's say margin 0 and then padding 0. That's it. And in the app.css, once again comment out everything. Now in the app.jsx, make a div over here which will be same as our root. You can see over here in the HTML file, we're just gonna copy this div over here. All right, copy this div over here and then paste it over here. You can see there is an ID of root. Now we also gonna copy this styling over here and paste it in our app.css. All right, so let's paste this over here and copy this script URL, and we have to paste this in the index.html of our white app. So after the script, or you can just put it above this one as well, it will work anyways. So yeah, our like basic setup is done over here, and close all the files like the css files. The only thing remaining to copy is this, is the main javascript code over here, this one. So yeah, just copy this and remove this one and just paste it over here. Okay, and you can see it is using this window.onload function. Instead of this in React, we can use an use effect hook. So if you don't know use effect, you don't need to worry anything. Just write it over here. You can see use effect, and then instead of this, I'm gonna remove this and this over here bracket, then copy once again. So copy this over here. Then we're gonna use the use effect. So you can see use effect, and it will be adding a callback function, and then write this empty square bracket so that it only renders one time. And inside this use effect, just paste all the code. All right, so our app is ready. Now let's see how it is looking like. Obviously, it won't work. Why? Because the app ID and server secret is not there yet. To do that, what we're gonna use env files. Yes, so make an env file, and yeah, you can delete this uh, html file. So yeah, you can just delete that. Okay, so make an .env file in the outermost layer of your folder, and here what we're gonna write this white app id is equal to, and similarly write white server secret. Alright, so this was the name if I'm not wrong. And here after this equal to, we are gonna add our actual ID. So I'm not gonna show you the actual ID, but you can see the app ID will look something like this. There's a number, and the server ID will look something like this. And make sure don't use any single quotes or double quotes. Just write like this. Alright. So yeah, I will remove that and I will add our like my own actual app ID and server ID later on. And to use that in our app.jsx, what we can do is write this import dot meta dot env and white app id. You can see over here this thing. Same thing for the server secret. And similarly, I'm going to copy this over here and paste it over here. And in this way, our app will work, but we need to add one more thing, and that is when we are retrieving any value from env, it will be in the format of string. But if you remember correctly, the app ID is a number. So what we are gonna do is we have to wrap this string in a number function. So just write number and add a bracket and write this. Yeah, that's it. We are done. And let me just add this environmental variables and let's see how it is looking. Alright guys, I have added the environmental variables and save the file, and let's see what our website is looking like. So yeah, you can see our website is live and you have the option to join a live stream or to start a live stream. Let's create a username, let's say TWD, and click on join over here. And you will see this is the host. He can start the live stream and nobody else cannot, and nobody else can. So I will click on copy link and you can share this to anyone. And here let me just another write another username. So let's say user2 and click on join over here. And you will see the live stream has not started yet, and you can see over here we have the button to go live and not this one, because this is acting as an audience and the host is this one. So we will go live and you will see the same countdown over here. And yeah, we are now live. Let me just share my screen and like show you how it is looking like. So so yeah, as you can see, I've shared my VS Code screen, and you will see this is the host, and I can turn off the screen and turn on the camera or mic, anything. And in the audience, you will see also the screen is there. So if I just change anything over here, let me just do this something like this. So yeah, you can see the mouse is also moving in the audience screen as well. And if I just same, you can see over here, anything changes, that will also change. So yeah, let me just turn off the screen recording now, and you will see the all the peoples over here. You can chat over here and you can copy the link from over here. So I will stop the broadcast now. And yeah, you can see over here, this is how we can build a pretty cool website. So yeah, guys, I think you got my point. This is how you can implement a live streaming app very easily. And one more thing, that ZegoCloud provides you 10,000 free minutes. Yes, 10,000 free minutes if you are using a free tier. Okay, so let me just show you as well what is it looking like. So I will click on my account over here, and you will see this is the latest project that we have built, test project. And you will see over here I've just used 47 minutes out of this 10,000 minutes. So it's a lot. If you are like making any simple project that you are gonna use in a college or anything, you can use this platform to build any live streaming app, video calling app, or anything that you like. So yeah, guys, I think that's it for this video. And the link for the Zero Cloud will be in the description. So make sure to check that out to get this 10,000 free minutes. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. I will see you in the next one.